Everyday tori we dey make sense.
My people, we thank you now. We don't come again for our show everyday tori as they be on me, your one and only Ivie. Not be only me waka combo when you Friday here.
My people now well done. We just happy as you just they follow us bumper to bumper as we do our live streaming. And today we not go disappoint. We get plenty story nyafu we go sweet na belle, even as they sweet our belle. Now well done.
Our Mr. Example day here, Okunle.
My people, I greet you now. Thank you very much for following us. We dey see on our hand, with our comments, with our likes, with our viewership. We say thank you. And like I always tell you now, we no go disappoint you. Thank you for joining us.
Christy day here.
My people, I salute you now. We happy for now where now they help us. They share our views, they listen to us. Today we don't carry this chair, what they call woman sit down talk, sit down. Like beans, we don't pick better stories skip. We go make una happy well. Make una no come out or make una no go anywhere. Make una sit down, they listen to us because we come prepared.
Our parable mad day here, Fidelis.
I salute you now. We don't come again. And as I always tell una quickly, make una know say this time, make una not allow anybody to disturb you now. Make una stay with us.
If you come by Fidelis parable man, now smile, who first come out.
People, we thank you now. Now, come to the country here for our Torio. We thank you now where we not forget to say, we will send us una comment to. Also, they took care for our podcast. They follow us, so we beg una well. Today, we carry plenty to recombo. Today, it be as it gets. But this one not get a shawarma today. The story, the one first choke out put back, and the one they call waiting they happen for Boduna here. That one and now they rain now. If you also care for radio now, TV everywhere, you will hear everywhere now. They happen now. We hear saying our Instagram influencer, hush popping. The matter with Abakari, with a business partner Chibuzo, and they happen for everywhere now. When people, how now see this matter?
The matter is fat. He just what did they talk and say when Oyibo go say not all that glitters is good. Now we can't do know. You know, say for waiting this our waiting that they call social media influencer. What they don't cause fellow people don't be smart, they don't do them more harm than good. You know, when you go see all these people, they go wear this one, they go say, now heaven's a bed, now that they sleep. They drive a car made in heaven. You go say, oh, why my case gone different now? Papa God, Papa God, then you just forget my side, see my fellow human being. Not knowing, say, true, all these people, their life now fake life. And because of this one, many people don't do bad things. What is Yahoo people where they rent? So now the part of the reason this Yahoo business still they rent, still they thrive because people want to be like their fellow human being. They not say not be waiting that they see be the big thing.
My own for this matter, they say I go just pick up from where you stop. The thing way for this I want big, or for this social media thing. The thing where people no see, plenty pass people where they see. And like my people talk, say the root of wealth is dirty. That when you dig deep into the root of some people's wealth, it is very, very, very dirty. And like I always say on this program, anytime we come with an issue like this, I always talk, say some people, if you know the source of their money or their wealth, you will never get anything. We they blame God, say God, what I do, like Winifred talk. You go prefer, say, me I no go fit enter into this one. No, it better make I remain the way I did than like this hush puppy thing where they go around the internet now. From his story where I read, the guy go school for Ikorodu, and they say now from small in parents and even in friends don't see say in way no pure.
Not true.
And when he come make and when he come blue, even abandon most of his friends. So for me, make we like Winifred talk. this kind thing don't lead many people into waiting they no suppose put their hand. That is one. Two, people should realize that if I enter into crime or I do anything bad to make money, that money, you at the end of the day, you no go enjoy them, because if the law catch up with you, if the law gets you, that thing now will go one day useless. That's why you go see some people when they arrest them, they go to talk, say, I regret what I do. I regret my action. So I think it's a lesson for us. Not everybody where they drive better car. Not everybody where they stay for better house. Not everybody is supposed to the envy. Hard work pays. Make we work hard and pray. That's why they say work and pray.
My brother Kunle, you talk am well. Oh. You see, like you talk, say some people when they don't make small money, they go even abandon their friends, their family members. Now true. Now remember, say when we be discuss about this Obi Kubana Mama burial, we be talk this thing. Say some people, as they don't see as they spray money, see certain Fidelity say that they Obi Kubana self they use chairs, they play money like say na football way in they play. We not say when we see people they drive jeep, your person when una finish school the same year, you go, you know even they work, you don't they drive jeep, you don't they build house. Your mama go they tell you say you see your mates, you do anything, they tell you you see your mates. All those things they push people. But anyway, and that one.
Why would they tell their husband? You
say,
see your mates.
Not be man like you. Not be man like you. Your brother go they say na your mates. Somebody do what I don't know. Somebody drive one big car pass. Now my brother said this man must be rich. My husband can't tell. I said now your mate. So I said no tell him like that. No be mate because you don't know the source of the money. You understand? So now you know say our people they do, especially people away from patient's place. Every family won't get representative for Godo Yubo. Once they don't go like that, you don't know the source of their income. They all way matter to the family. We say at the end of every month they go send $1 to them. You know, but this hush property keep on my side though. The one way me I want talk today now. This our super core.
But I beg you, Christy, let me say I interrupt you. I beg before you even talk about our super core. This hush puppy, he pay me well because he knows that the money not there pure. He not get on straight. Now people now in catch mugu, collect their money from them. It be like person with all these criminal way even hold gun. And the same thing. Bad pass. Say now say go they display this in money for Easter. You know
they make boys. Small children they
exactly. He just they display money. Life say even they tell you say person will not get may go kill himself.
Me I thank God say this my Fidelis where they here. About say we they follow go. He never carry me and patients give kidnappers collect money for our head.
He just they use money the days they
this hush puppy and our Abba carry matter also. Waiting me I will talk for inside. They say you see people they will tell you say private life, not my life, not my life. Some people they not go want make call. They go say make I send message. Me they not record my call or anything. If they mean you, if people mean you, human being mean you. All the things when you don't do when you 10 years ago, 20 years ago, when you just say nobody know. How they go take dig and come out, you know. That's why they always tell people say make they keep their hands straight. Anything when they do, make sure say they do one with clean hands. You know, you don't put hand for anybody. Because the day when it go happen. You will think they not get evidence. Now for your eye, they go dig everything come out to show you.
You know, say Winifred because me I be want to talk about this our super core. You know what pay me well. As you talk and say all that glitters are not gold. Exactly. You understand? But the one where they pay me, I be read one comment so where somebody makes as this matter don't break. So he say as he see Abba carry for Kumana Mama burial, he suspect say this guy hand no clean. Because you know, say you get this common saying where they say, "Show me your friends, and I'll tell you who you are." Anyway, we don't know whether he be bad person, but you know, say you know if you see those kind of people. Me, I know Obi Kubana making money through better source. But when the way people be they talk, say this one a ritualist, now ritual money, blah blah blah. Can't see this one, and they can't even they talk say they see him with Kubana. They see him somewhere for one burial for Imo State before his mama burial own. So why is it that he go like follow these kind of people like this? People don't they from that burial they don't raise question mark on his head. But what me I want to this guy na person will be say our country, including our senators, they take out time, sit down, praise him. You know how they wash person as in rub and gold, rub and silver. Say they give am titles. Now then call am this super cup. You understand? Then at the end of the day, you know, end the way they take, because in don't, you know, say criminals in they fight them. In they fight bad thing, kidnappers all manner of bad things. Abba Kyari they fight. And then you know, end they can't do am certain. Even as deputy commissioner of police, he know they report to any commissioner. He they deal with IG directly. You understand? So you senior and for rank, you know concern, because the way we take appreciate and say hard work, you know, if person as you talk, if person they work hard, you reward them. So they give them that ground, say talk. In bypass all commissioners and ACGs, he they report directly to IG. So as this thing can happen now, me I want to say as our own government. Always they pressurize international community, say our design still make we bring them back to our country, make we come try am. As these people they ask, so my brother, if na true say in do am, we no know, make they follow package am, give them true. The way we dey also ask, make they leave them give FBI.
Wetin e dey talk so na so one of my friend talk say when e dey follow the matter, everybody dey praise am, say Nigerian police. Nigerian police, if body they doing somehow, they say, this is too true to be. Yes, it's too real to be true. When they tell me that, and also me, I they laugh. I can say something good can actually come out.
Yes.
Why they talk so like that? That's why I will tell that my friend. So as Christy talk like that too, because this one are really strong in that indictment. Because somebody where everybody, you know, take they make shakara say yes, he don't carry us proud. At least something good don't come out from. You know, our
this one
police force. Oyibo they come the one rubbish so say not be as we see am.
Make the hand am over, make him go clear him name. If he know they guilty, they go. They don't go kill him now.
This one they don't go kill him. Talk say somebody go talk say this one no be your mate, that one no be your mate. You get one guy na Gateman. His name na Christopher.
Don't worry, make we dey hear you. Talk well. Make you open mouth, make we hear you.
His name na Christopher. So he go school with Fidelis, for example. Now he go school with Fidelis.
This one way they use me to do example.
Wait now, because now man to man now they use do example. Christopher go school with Fidelis. So Christopher now get they don't finish school. So Christopher now gets man. Christopher gonna call Fidel. Fidelis gonna call Christopher. Oh boy, now how you dey? Christopher say how you dey? What you dey do now? He say she be. As you dey cover your notes for me when we did school, I don't turn to Gateman now. Are you happy?
We get some comments.
We get some comments, so
yes.
I will read some of our comments.
Okay, we don't get plenty comments to my people now. I don't know if you we will thank them well for following us and
Not true.
And as they make comment. One
Shazi
Oye James, he says, see that Abba Kyari to reward me well. I don't know waiting talk again. That's why they worry us here. Where he do. He say anybody where want defend them also follow chop the money.
No,
we not follow chop. We
dey neutral.
Then he go Timo Brown. He say man is a political animal and man is also a criminal animal created in creature in nature. Abba is no difference. Mr. Buhari, also known as Mr. Integrity. But what are we seeing today?
This one way Adue Idiyu said that Adue Idiyu say anybody will one defender. See, one thing where me I want correct be say this thing is still an indictment. The guy still have opportunity to clear himself.
Yes.
So make we no conclude say in one say that maybe this one follow chop or no. I don't think we should just conclude saying to him. It's still an indictment. He still has the opportunity to defend himself.
We are not defending him.
Even as we not a defender, you know me say make we just stand say he no do am.
We are not saying whether he do am or he no do am.
He need to go clear himself.
Listen, now part of the story where if you say we go still discuss now, all this bribing of police. You know, say no, part of the matter.
I mean, come to say Nigeria done better. When I come to here for Tori, come here say police they cry say, Kule o, Winifred, don't give me bribe again. I don't want bribe again, no.
They mention my name. They mention me. Like say the way when you talk out, like say me and Winifred with the bribe police.
My people, make we not go anywhere. One go turn our soup, we'll come back, Nana.
Thank you.
Right.
Maybe it's
Right. Such right.
My people, we thank you now and say they wait for us, so we don't come back. As we be there talking, I say me, I be took here for Tori that day. I come here say our police for Obodo Naija, don't they beg Kule and Winifred say I beg no give me bread.
Now Winifred then they beg, they don't mention my name.
I go say let me say police don't better. Maybe they come change their uniform from black to blue. Maybe things don't they better for us. So then me come they happy. Now I come to say I come here that way again say police, police never change.
You know, when I read the story, they say make we not give bribe again. Not true, they talk because truly they say the one way give bribe and the one way collect, not the same crime. Some one not the give. And coming from police, seriously, not good matter because if you not they give them bribe, now they corrupt them. Person will not carry exhibit, not they fear anything. So when police check you, stop you for checkpoint. It's make you open boot for them. Then hey, you go open up for now. If you don't carry exhibit, you go open boot for them. If you get your ID card, you go into take and introduce yourself. Don't be saying you go come out. And true, police not there all that bad. You get my person for church, for group for my church. And they come back in the night too. It's late. Now people wait they mufti. Now they stop one. It is a kidnappers. You know wait to. That's why you drive. And that's what they shoot up.
The killer?
No, they're not shooting. But gun enter your body. But the same police when they come stop and go tell say it is a kidnapper. Since now we are mufti.
Why them go wear mufti there on duty?
Don't say
one day.
But no, but the waiting they want talk be say the police themselves carry this guy go hospital. What if they say deliver? As
one
they happen
day.
before. So this something make us happy. Say, police true. They don't get responsible. Most some of them will get responsible. Some of them true. And you know, say most hospitals they don't accept. They don't attend to gunshot victims. In fact, everybody don't talk. Or government don't talk finish. Senate don't talk. Maybe not they accept. At least after we don't treat them. Up to now they don't see they treat. But the same police carry this person go hospital, go treat him. And even talk, say, even the DPO himself, can't even still visit him. Now, our person for church, we're going to go with the Federal Medical Center for Abuja. And to me, to all of us, we were happy that at least they were.
Police don't
get one day where me and my in-law we were driving, we were driving through Use Market for Abuja in the night, around 2-3 a.m. or so in the morning. Sorry, in the morning. Now, this policeman, in a black uniform, police they wear, and street light no day. The man standing in the middle of the road was raising his hand without touchlight. He remained small, like this. Make my in-law clear him. He just see him. He just apply brake. We can't go back on me and say, "Okay, why you go stand like this for this night? Lights no day. You wear black." And you are resting your hand, and if anything happen now they go they charge him for murder. In fact, the guy no talk because he knows say in there at fault. So for me, it's part of police training. This bribe thing and some of these small things to avoid putting innocent people in trouble.
No, say for this our work. Most times they close late, work out for night. For my area, I think around last month or so. Then one bike man go jam motor for night around 2-3 in the night. Waiting they happen, we say for that area. Now police now don't say people know they give them bribe, but for that area, say they drive keke, they drive bike, you want pass them. If you don't give them money, you not get where they go. In fact, they will carry you for their van, say you go sleep set that night. Not be small money that they collect from their hand, though. Waiting kill that bike man. What they do, they say once they don't near where those police people did, most of them they go off their lights with full speed. That's what they go. The man don't know say motor park for road. That's why they go with full speed. He go run enter the motor. The bike man die. Then the person when he carry that one no die. That one survive for hospital the next day. So you see how this one is just saying make people not they give them bribe. People must surely give you bribe.
Waiting at the
but some of them, if they give them bribe, make them reject. And may they prosecute the person, may they add and join your offense. Then from there, people go learn. Because some of them, not be say people want to give them bribe. Now they don't almost make a law say before you pass there, you must drop. This one are waiting me, I don't see with my eyes.
So for my own personal experience, the truth of the matter is it depends on manner of approach. Like me, if I return in the night, officer, how you did now? How work? Fine. Wait for they come, we'll just chat. Truly, Now me go even by myself say, may I find you something? You don't try. You just stay here.
Some of them not be approach. As you they go there, you tell yourself, I never work.
And
My
they go,
first work with this.
no, you see-
And they go tell you say, go back there. You not ready?
Wait,
Go back there.
you see-
Yes.
so this the way
This one, I want you to tell you so. What in my eye don't see.
But then this the way you talk.
Maybe I will move video. Some of them carry.
Fidelis,
This way you talk like this.
No, make them not they talk. Like I just say, people not they give
Fidelis,
them.
Like, I dey suspect say you get other.
No, because you see during that lockdown, then me would then begin where from my area because of this same issue. When bike will carry you, where you supposed go 200, they will tell you
They will charge you
1,000.
for police.
You ask them what they happen, and they
They
say,
will
"Oh, God,
police,
now
yeah.
5 checkpoints they road. If I not bribe them, they're not gonna let me pass."
You see this
So the thing they very bad.
this is where Fidelis talks to see me, and as people they clap for them, say make they no bribe them. I no clap for them. I no clap. Now until I start to see say they know they collect bribe, now I go clap for them. And they come. Not be when person do events or maybe as leadership will organize conference. So then they invite police, go invite road safety, police. The person will come represent police will come climb so that he go make news. He go say make una no dey bribe us. Road safety go say now we go remain. He go follow climb say make una no dey bribe us. Me I know they clap for that one because the police when Nigerians deserve no be waiting with they see. You understand? Now, as Fidelis talk, I remember one time when I won't go tarry night, what thing they call night vigil for that Fidelis the area. We stop Okada. Okada charge us. The person will invite us say na 200. Okada collect us 800 for one person. No, I can't say for waiting. No be here. He can't say police there. And truly, those police people were there. As you just reach, no waste time. They no go ask you because they know say you they operate from there. Now just to shook hand. Remove, give, pass, go the next place, remove, give. If Okada man they generate maybe like 1,400 and it's supposed to make returns, what thing go come carry go house, go eat?
Maybe they see
You
now waiting
understand?
what they do. Maybe
Wetin I go
maybe
talk
we
for
go
this
the
matter?
video them
Well, yes.
so that people go
They
read
go
them.
shoot
They
you,
Catch you,
kill.
video
They
there.
go shoot you,
Because
kill.
you see,
They'll kill you.
Fidelis,
all these
They
bad
will
men,
kill.
they suffer too much for
Let
Even
me
road
tell you
safety
wetin
they collect bribe.
let me
Me,
tell
I
you
know say
wetin we
road
go
safety
do.
dey collect bribe.
All these things
Yes.
wey we dey talk.
They go ask you for your papers, you go show your papers complete. They go ask you for fire extinguisher. They go ask you even for razor blade just to find one thing where they go, madam, they go pack you for ass.
You go see
They
people
go
when
tell
they
you say
want
make you speak
to know
wetin
they
you
go
go
go use
understand.
them to
Let me
You
come in,
understand?
Let me come in. Wetin me I go talk for all these things wey we dey discuss about police and some other security agencies.
Using a hush
Federal
puppy
government
matter,
agencies.
carry your
Carry us to that police
So
matter.
now, no, it's part of it. It's part of it.
Because
It's
I
part
have my
of
carry
crime.
day.
It's part of crime. So wetin me I go talk be say, na ignorance dey worry people like this Okada people now, for example.
They go
Like,
pack you till
I dey
break.
come
Claim
now.
say
I
you
dey
sabi
come.
your
You know where I dey go now. Na ignorance dey worry them. Why I talk say ignorance dey worry them be say, I know that police usually come up with numbers. Say if anything is happening, call us on this so number. Me I dey expect say this one wey una dey talk now. Some of these Okada should have seen this number and maybe call them so area, make una come touch light am, see wetin your officers dey do there. They no go know who come.
Kule, as you talk am so, you get many agencies for this country when we say they go drop their number, say if something happen, call that number. Now that number you go call.
Till
Nobody
they break.
go
No, me, I just want to make
Is it that it's switch off or nobody go
finish
pick?
for
They don't
Asokoro.
go
Now
pick.
so then they do in front of our office for Asokoro. Now so then do all this roadblock that very day. They now so then they collect
Now
money.
offering.
Broad daylight.
Now offering. They
Me, I
dey
not
collect.
call. I not call them. I no wan mention name. The name, the best way you suppose call. Like call. I even send that test up to tomorrow.
You know
morning.
that-
Say, make us see wetin boys dey do.
You still dey sleep, you never respond. So as we dey talk about this hush puppy matter, abeg, see ba, the truth be say, you wey be say you no get money, no kill yourself o. As we don talk, you no know how people dey take get money. But all wetin we dey talk now, we no talk say Abba Kyari dey guilty o. We just dey talk say because one, all the messages wey they don release say na their wey he take interact with hush puppy, he never come out come talk say this
Whether na
message
true or
is na
not
me
lie.
send or no be me send. He never come out.
Yeah,
Na
na
only
true.
see one comment wey he say ha ha
ha
ha ha ha ha. He get one comment wey he something on his Facebook page.
I
He
saw
dey
it.
laugh. He say people wey dey enemies wey dey wait say they go arrest, make they wait say they go wait till day break. My brother, you never come out come tell us say you no hush puppy. You never come out come deny say you no exchange conversation with am. So the thing be say whether he this thing na true or not, make him follow FBI. Make our government hand am over to FBI. When they go, God is saying no, make him just go clear him name. By the time he come back, me, I go stand for airport. I go the big drum, they dance,
Go
they
lead
welcome
your-
am. You understand?
your
Now,
country
I dey
guys.
tell
The thing
you.
wey me I go talk for this
But
matter
my own,
be say,
Kunle, before you slow tell you, just so we don't forget time.
Okay, we first pass back your own.
Oh, na hush pop.
Yes,
You know that one don't use money, just they pepper us.
They
for
scatter
this
people
time,
head,
now,
oh.
They scatter people head. So they, at the end of the day, what it can lead. So this one now still example to our youth with our country. May not see say crime, you know they pay.
You know they
You know
pay.
what waiting they rain, it go still fall. You know hard work as we dey list on they talk am before. It they pay because all this Facebook where I say Facebook, social media, people when not get anything, they can't say they get. People when not get, they want be like them. They want go kill themselves. This social media something, it don't ruin, it don't scatter marriage, it don't scatter friendship, it don't scatter people. They don't want work again. Now yahoo, they want to because they want make quick money. Now don't see how it end now. Hush Puppy now can be example.
Now, so my people, we get comments. So more query this comment. Like Fidelis, I see your name for there. Read them for us.
You say, Fide, waiting you
Who
talk
talk
na
am? Read
true.
the name.
My correct
Call the
man,
name first, call the name.
okay, Shazi Oye James. You say, Fide, waiting you talk, na true talk, oh. Where you go pay 500 naira, the Okada go add police money on top of your own. Few police are good, but 95% of them are not. Oh. My brother, not be lie you talk, oh. Maybe you two dey talk from experience.
Because you know say even when you get case, go police station, go report. The police people go down
make
take
I
your statement
before-
home.
give you one
When they take
example.
your statement, they will come follow you outside. Come say make you give us money for fuel, so
Eh.
that we go track
Even the
those
file now,
guys.
you will buy the file.
You go pay for plane sheet.
Make
You
I
go
give
pay
you-
for file.
Mm.
They go tell you say make you open the file with 3,000. Close the file. Even
It
when they
happened
don't
to me like that.
Which
When
kind
they
thing be
go
this?
my
You
car,
know, I
carry
know,
my
Winifred.
laptop,
No
carry
be-
my handbag
Oh,
with everything.
I'm
I
telling
can't go
you,
police
with
station.
all the
Na me come dey
frustration.
pay money. Oh.
Winifred.
Na me come dey even dey beg dey say make dem
Winifred.
collect 5,000.
Wait
na
now,
me.
Winifred.
Even some of these ogas when they
Christy-
go events, when they
Christy,
say
make I
don't
talk
give
this
bribe,
one.
they know about this
Christy,
thing.
make I tell you
They
this
don't
one.
know
I
now.
remember that year.
They do returns.
I remember that year. I never married that year. Amroba came to my house in the night around 2. I just hear somebody at the back of my fence jump, enter B. I come with strong voice, like somebody with strong. I say, "Who is that?" The guy tell me, say, "We are armed robbers." Now I tell him, I say, sorry, oh. Now I just go sit down, they wait for them, make he enter. So immediately, in fact, the guy no knock 2 times before I open the door for them. They just do whatever they want to do. They left. So in the morning, I now go police station, go report. Say, see wetin happen in the night, see wetin happen in the night too. Policeman wey I meet for duty tell me say, oga, yeah, sorry, oh. But sometimes you sef make we dey keep small money for house, like 1,000 or 2,000. So na the thing wey dey tell me, I dey tell you.
Sometimes yes,
Say make I keep small money for house so that when they come, I will just give them, then go go. I'm telling you.
My neighbor, na him police come from thief from night, come from where they collect her phone. He go station, go report the next morning. Now police they tell and say, make una dey try keep una phone far from window.
And now that one na security tips.
Now security tips.
There's
But
no-
sometimes you can't teach what they tell you. They want to go police
You
station.
don't see what cartoon where they want cartoon where they do for police station. They use chain, they chain.
Their generator.
See this one, Fidelis, this one of my colleagues, the guy dey Canada now, Felix, in our colleague. Felix, there's still Felix car under. As there's still Felix car now, Felix can't go report for police station. Say police go say come tomorrow. And of course, Felix they drop small things for them. Say for fuel and all that for their effort. Get one day, the day when Felix no go there again. Up to today, they no see that car. Felix don't travel anywhere. Felix won't go there one day. Immediately Felix entered the station. Police asked, "Hey, Ogoapa,
You don't see them.
you don't see your car." Felix won't talk. Say, now you supposed to look for this car for me now. So what are we talking
You
about?
see all these police when they say make they only collect bribe. Me, I would advise, especially people when they work for night. If you meet them, they ask you for money, or you know say you supposed to drop. I beg, drop what you know say you need to. I know say this one has strong.
But for
advice.
me,
Drop because see, now person when they are alive. And you'll see man.
Fidelis.
Some of them, they can tell you, say, they will shoot you there, they will tell you, say, you be
Yes.
armed robber.
Fidelis,
So,
wetin I go talk?
now who they are like?
Wetin I go talk be say on this one where you talk, me I feel say me I dey do am. I dey do am. If I dey drive, I dey do am. Me, I feel say we need to also dey appreciate them. Even without asking us. We should show out. They are doing, I can call it a thankless job. That is what they are doing. They are doing a thankless job. And if you ask me, our government too no help matters. Because their welfare is nothing to somebody will give his own life to secure others. I think they are not it should not be, they are not totally bad. Yes, let me put it that way. They are not totally bad. They are doing a thankless job, and on our own, without them asking, we should appreciate them.
You know it's right in that one, because 10 o'clock, 11, when sometimes they go out, I see them. Honestly, my heart they call.
I pity them.
You understand?
Exactly.
Fully you talk true, because we know say these policemen too na people papa, na people husbands, na people children. Yes, but you know say even though we dey appreciate them, we understand say maybe we they talk for our program say make they empower them, make they increase their salary, make they better their welfare. But wetin me I no like be say you no go park your car, maybe you dey wait for person to come, police go just go open your car balance. Oga, wetin I do go say straight to the police station. When you dey drive, they go go tell you say stop the car, settle me 5,000 for wetin. Oga, you give me money make I hold. You no give me money make I hold. If I wan appreciate you, I go appreciate you. Police don turn beggars. Even when you go police station, go do something, as you dey come out, policeman go dey tell you say don dey go. Yes, Oga, dey go. You no find your boy something, Oga, wetin I go find?
Make I tell Nigerians say na their right. Say make Nigerians know say make Nigerians know say na their right to say if they travel. Maybe they don't feel rich, they go for night. Now their right to enter the nearest police station, go sleep. So if you can't pay yourself the next morning, that one are your thorough.
But before you close, this way if they also, why don't they travel? Long journey why they travel? Police say one boy went to say why the boy bone. So the boy no smile as in wakane. The boy say gonna me be driver. What you was that me with? That's what they pack us.
This one where you talk before we finish. This one where you talk. When I dey Lagos, you get one. I don't come. When I dey Lagos, you get one driver we know wear clothes. You know wear clothes. They drive. Police come harass and say, why you not wearing clothes? Why you? The guy say, it's the cash me. That's what I do.
My country people, today we be get plenty to real. There's today they vex with police. When they vex, they para for here. So
this is the pay fidelis because you pay extra money for bike.
They transfer the anger, give me more.
As we can display anger for us, so they will not call no say I don't go. Maybe I'm not there. So when we come next time, we'll took my for the remaining story. We thank you and sit down with us. So took care of our story. We don't forget to now comment. So our podcast they go on. We know they follow us. So we thank you now. Where and here we will close cut today. We now beg Gary.